Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the POCO X3 versus the Redmi Note 10 Pro, which phone to buy and why as well. So right now friends, the POCO X3 is available for about 13,500 and the Redmi Note 10 Pro is available for about 15,999. So a lot of users did ask me better to choose the POCO X3 or should they spend extra 2,000 rupees to buy the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So this will be the very short video where I'll be just going through the basic differences and which phone will be the best as well. And I'm using the POCO X3 for the past I think close to more than 175 days. I'm using the POCO X3, so definitely I do have very good experience in the POCO X3, not on the Redmi Note 10 Pro, but definitely I'll do a lot of in-depth reviews on the Note 10 Pro in the upcoming days. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for more videos. So let's get started with the first thing about the POCO X3. What are the things I like about the POCO X3? I'll try to talk first, and next I'll try to talk about the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So first is that the price of this POCO X3 is really very low, like 2,000 rupees less than the Redmi Note 10 Pro. That's a huge difference and you are getting very good deal for this kind of price. So price is the first advantage. So next advantage is a liquid cooling system. The POCO X3 has got a slightly liquid cooling system, so which will prevent a lot of heating happening on the back side of the phone. So that's one of the advantage which is present in the POCO X3 device. I did see it come into an effect in the few games, but you won't be able to see much difference. But because still, even after the liquid cooling system as well, when I'm playing the Genshin Impact high-end game, the temperature increased close to 50 degrees. So that's the one thing to notice friends in this POCO X3 smartphone. So there are a couple of other advantages like POCO UI. The POCO X3 will be having the POCO interface, and which is really smooth, and you won't be able to see much hats when you compare with the other MIUI versions. So next is the battery. The POCO X3 has got 6000 mAh of battery. That will give you the another extra benefit on this POCO X3 to get more battery life. But after the software updates, even this battery backup got little bit impacted. For some users it did not impact, and for some users it got impacted a lot. So this is one thing again you need to notice here. So next is in terms of the camera. So in terms of the camera friends, the POCO X3 has got 64 megapixel Sony camera lens, so which is very good. And I do like the 64 megapixel lens on this POCO X3 than the 108 megapixel lens or 64 megapixel lens in this phone. So that's what I like about the Sony cameras. So they are really good, even though the Samsung 108 megapixel lens cameras exist, but still the Sony camera lens is very powerful to capture the very good details. So these are a few things you need to know about the POCO X3. So next, let's talk about the Redmi Note 10 Pro. What are the advantages? So first advantage is a AMOLED panel. So AMOLED panel. So phone has got the AMOLED panel, and that is the first advantage of this Redmi Note 10 Pro. And the second advantage would be the weight of the phone. The weight of the phone is really less, which is about 193 grams or 195 grams. So which is quite less than the POCO X3 is 223 grams. So that's a 30 grams difference. So that's a huge difference. Definitely you'll feel that kind of different when you hold the another phone. So that's definitely this is a quick comparison between both the phones. So as I said, this is a short video where I thought of just mentioning you. So the final outcome is that if you want AMOLED panel, try to choose Redmi Note 10 Pro, and if you want less weight mobile phone and very good design, then choose the Redmi Note 10 Pro. And if you're okay with the IPS LCD panel, and you can definitely buy the POCO X3 friends. And the only thing which is stopping buying the POCO X3 is the AMOLED panel, and few of the users they like and they don't like. So definitely it's up to you to decide which phone to choose. But at the end of the day, if you choose any other phone, you will be definitely happy overall. So for more this kind of interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.